From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley with today's MrTopStep update. You know what we're going to do? We're going to jump right into the July option expiration and some of its open interests that we're going to be looking at today. It is slightly weighted to the put side, and when we looked at the calls from the 1310 to the 1350, we have 24,000 calls, open interest. And on the put side, from 1310 down to 1270, we have 35,000 puts. So it's slightly weighted to the put side, as we said. You know what happened just now is the S&P opened up at the 1311.5 to 12 level, rallied a little bit, and then sold off just as we came into the Michigan sentiment number at 9 o'clock that came in way lower than expected, 63.8 versus 72.5. The S&P got a little weak and we saw a couple of sell programs right before the number. Then the S&P sold off real quick and then immediately bounced back up toward the highs. And as I came over here to do the recording, the S&P has gone from a high of 1370 down to 03.5, 1303.5, completing what MrTopStep calls the 10-handle rule. You know, what we're really going to be concerned about here is not so much that we're going to see a heavy amount of trade here as we go into the latter parts of the day. The weather in Chicago is about 85 degrees and clear, and we feel that as the day rolls on and these markets get quieter, more of these traders on the floor will kind of take a hike out of here for the day and take the weekend off. There's really not much to key on. We do have Obama talking at 10 o'clock, and we are going to be keying in on that a little bit, but we don't know that there's going to be any resolution today as far as the government coming to terms with its debt ceiling. Right now, the volumes are steadyish, not a lot of buyers or sellers in here, and we'll be back with another MrTopStep update.